Facebook.
Yeah, if you want to, that's cool.
Alright, so she says she'll join us for dinner, so that's cool.
Sweet.
And I'll call them and I'll make reservations for 7:30. 7:45. We can go check out the same place.
I'm gonna make a GIF out of this later. A little video loop.
Oh, cool.
Have you seen Michel Gondry? Ever heard of him? Old CG guy. He used to make music videos. He did one for the Chemical Brothers, and it was just a video loop like this out of a train,
Really?
except a little further back. And then just kind of like using compositing, he would just repeat elements like poles, signs, people, stuff like that, and it would just repeat to the beat, kind of a thing.
Oh, really?
So really good, kind of seamless comp tricks where he would end up like. Sorry, I forget I'm not talking to CG.
That's okay. That's cool.
You know what compositing is, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just use little comp tricks to repeat elements in the scene and track them to the footage.
Cool.
So I kind of made a little visual scale for the music to follow. It's kind of cool.
That'd be cool.